So Arsenal 3, Burnley 1. And as everyone's been saying on these fan accounts, professional, controlled performance, mate. Like, we see no Benjamin White in the team, no Eddie in the room, and obviously Captain Ghost Guard, Casper the Ghost. Obviously, he's out injured as well. No Thomas Partey, no Gabby Jesus, no Timber. The injuries are racking up. And we go into the game, and for 44 minutes, the game was absolutely toilet. And then out of nowhere, number 35 puts a great cross into the box. Bukayo Saka is probably the only time in the game I really noticed him, if I'm being honest. Great flick on header. And then Trossard taps it in. Happy days, 1-0 at half-time. Second half, Trossard comes out after probably nearly breaking his wrist or his forearm or whatever it was, putting corner after corner on a plate. William Saliba, unbelievable. Like, you couldn't miss. Yeah, if he had missed it, it probably would have gone in anyway. And then the third goal, number 35 again. Di Canio, eat your heart out. What a goal. Yeah, what a goal. And then the only downsides for me, we're going to get your opinion. Make sure you subscribe to the Southern Gooner. Link will be in the title if I can squeeze it in. If not, it's in description. The only downsides to me, 1 second.
Yep.
Oh, he's got a key anyway. The only downsides for me were number 29 and Fabio Vieira, really, if I'm being completely honest. Yeah, maybe Eddie as well when he came on. Yeah, I thought he was awful. Yeah, but what did you make of the game?
My biggest two takeaways is that Trossard, you see what happens when Trossard starts in his own form. He needs to take set pieces for the rest of the year. He needs to be on the pitch at all times to take set pieces for the rest of the year, especially corners, because he was dropping them on the dime. The second thing is that Zinchenko needs to play midfield. He's got to play midfield. Just the ball just moves much better when he was in midfield. After we took out 29, he slid over and he would get out of his way and he could move around and do a couple of things there. It was a tale of two halves. I thought the first half we were lackadaisical. Second half, we kind of started picking it up. I also want to say this too. I'm so glad we had those goals before Fabio Vieira did what he did. He's shocking. He's shocking. I told you I knew the new name for 29. I got to say his name because 20. I think it's number 20. And
20.
Fabio Vieira. Today I'm going to slide 35 out of that because he had a good game. I'm going to just slide him to the side for today, and we're going to put Vieira in his place, and we're going to refer to them as the Lost Boys.
To the right.
To the right. The Lost Boys. Because Vieira, I mean, it was kind of funny because if for those who watch the broadcast, we kind of saw something stupid was on the horizon because he fell on the ground looking at his shoes, and then he untied his shoes.
Yeah, that was weird. I can't lie. He deliberately untied his boot and then started crying to the ref that he wanted to tie his boots up.
Yeah.
But mate, you deliberately untied them to waste time.
Yeah. And it's just like, brother, what you doing, man? What you doing? And then he gets up and he does the swing out kick, stamps the. I mean,
that was a naughty kick.
I mean, foolishness, you know.
And then he said it in his fan cam. He said, like, sometimes you just have to pull out of that. Yeah, just say, let's not do too much here. I know they want to all try and impress the manager to get a start the next game and all of that. I get that, yeah. But sometimes the game runs so quick nowadays, yeah. It's like 100 mile an hour. You blink, you've missed it.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I know games are dead. We've watched some dead games this season for our club, but that Tottenham game was rubbish. We've seen West Ham the other day, a lot of crap games, yeah. But it's still 100 mile an hour. One slight mistake by a millisecond and you are breaking someone's ankle or leg or knee or whatever.
Yep.
Yeah, and he was dumb today, man. And he spends 3 minutes on the pitch crying and arguing with the ref. It's like, mate, you should be sent off twice.
Yeah. Yeah. Send him off twice, as you said in the video. Yeah. But no, I just think that when you those kind of things make you stand out. I mean, he's already had a struggle here, but then when you see stupid stuff like that, I mean, even the manager cut his eyes at him today when he was walking off. He looked at him like, man, I'm giving you a shot, and this is what you give me.
One of them side-eye ones, isn't it?
Yeah. And so, you know, now he's out for 3 games. You hope nobody gets injured. You know, we hope we can manage this over the break or what
Well,
have you.
hopefully Jorginho's okay.
Yeah, he got
I
a
said he
slice
went
that to
down
the
like
top
a
of the
little
head.
bitch and that, and then the next thing I'm seeing Claret. I was like, yo, I'll take that back real quick. Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
seeing Claret.
Yeah, he got a slice to the top of his head. I think he'll probably just need to get sewed up. But
Trossard with the wrist as well.
Trossard, yeah.
Yeah, I know
It makes you get real nervous when you see players go down because you know we're already thin. And we're going into this damn international break, and you just hope that everybody stays healthy. But overall, you know, like I said, it was a so-so performance today. Second half, Trossard brilliance, Zinchenko with the Paulo Di Canio, and
yeah,
we got out of there.
I can't lie.
Yeah, that was a great goal, man. I mean, it was just he did it so effortlessly. It was just whoop, doop, and you know,
it's like you could very easily shank that out for a throw-in.
Yeah, yeah, it was a
From
good
the
goal.
18-yard box, you could shank that for a throw-in. It could go out the stadium and then White Hart Lane. It could all be spaced with Harry Kane's penalty against France, or you could just completely air kick it, man. Yeah, so the confidence was flowing, man. But he had a really good game today.
I was just getting ready to say, I really enjoyed watching him today. I enjoyed watching him running around that midfield today. And I keep hammering. He has to start midfield at some point, man, because him up there provides a little something different. I was watching the through balls. Those were passes that Odegaard just don't do. Just think about it when you look at it.
Ones,
those intricate passes that Odegaard just struggles to find. He doesn't see those passes. And Zinchenko just
plays it safe, Odegaard, and then he'll just whip aimless balls in the box.
Yeah. Or he'll turn around and just pass it back. No, this gentleman he gets the ball, cuts through, makes a run. You know, it's just simple stuff.
And the thing is, like, we get on his case all the time, and rightly so, because he can't defend.
No.
But let's be real with it. If we're really deep in this, it's not his fault. Yeah, the manager's playing
the manager. Yep.
It's the manager's fault. Yeah, yes, he's crap defensively. He even said in a podcast he can't defend. He said, I need to be better defensively. I can't. He said, I knew Trent was going to nutmeg me. Well, close your legs then.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then he's crying. He's so emotional. But I've heard a lot of people talking like, and I just want to say this real quick, yeah. The manager's emotional. He's emotional. Yeah, some of our other players are emotional.
Yeah.
And it's like when you've got emotional players on the football pitch, you're going to end up with results like we've had in the last 12 months. Yes, we're going to look amazing for a lot of the season, but then when it unravels, it's like an onion. You're just stripping it back and it implodes to the point where you've got nothing left. Yeah, literally. But today, fair play to him, man. Yeah, because I don't like that guy at all. I don't like his off-field stuff and all of that, and that's because of his on-field stuff and then the impact night and vice versa. Yeah, he was quality. He was so close to my man of the match today.
Yeah.
But again, it's against a team, and I've said this to the other lads. When you're playing a team that are going to come and park the bus, which is pretty much what they did. They had a little go with number 30. I can't remember his name.
Yeah.
I'm shocked they took him off.
Yeah.
He was quality. Yeah, he was quality today. He skinned Saliba. I couldn't believe Saliba.
I mean, he tore him a new one. Yeah, 2 or 3 times.
I've seen him catch Mbappe up. Yeah, this guy burned him. Right, but it was like fair enough. He caught him back up and got the tackling. Yeah, but it's like when you see him in midfield against a team that are not going to come out, it's like perfect position, perfect game. Yeah, when you're playing in a team that is going to have a go against you, yeah, in a team that is going to have a go against you, yeah, I think that when he's going to get more space, I think he'd be sick.
Yeah,
I do, because listen, he's got no physicality really, yeah, but he don't really have a long game with the ball, long passing. But his short game in the 20-yard, 25 yards, 5 yards, 6 yards, 10 yard, 15s, bro. The amount of times he did the outside of the boot to Declan Rice. He did the round the corner one to Martinelli. He's popping it into the box for the Saka header for Trossard's goal. And it's like, just play him in midfield, mate. Drop 29. Tell 29 he can go and look after the dog for the rest of the season.
Yep.
Yeah. And in the summer, he can take the dog with him. Yeah. And put this guy next to Declan Rice. Yeah. You can't do that in every game, granted. Yeah. Against Man City, I'd have him nowhere near midfield.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. But against Liverpool, probably not as well. But against these teams, he looks mad good. Yeah, but why? Because when they play a low block, teams play a low block against you. Why did Trossard look great today? Left foot, right foot. What's his best foot?
Yep.
Yeah. Cross on the money, bro. Yeah. 35. Cross on the money. Intricate passes. Left foot, right foot. What's his best foot? We don't know. They're our best 2 gifted players, technically. Yeah, and I don't like him. Yeah. But that's because of his defensive issues, yeah? But in midfield, that guy would smash it. I'm convinced.
He has the flair that Odegaard doesn't have. He has the flair that Odegaard does not have. Odegaard is just
he don't have the PR.
yeah, you don't have the PR. Yeah, he is just he provides something different. And I personally I said this when you on the watch along when you had stepped away. I told Ola, I said, quite frankly, I believe this gentleman will revive the attack because and you saw it today. He was just about everything that we had a goal in. He was somewhere near it. So I think that Zinchenko,
which is funny because he's in the shot, Matty. Yeah, normally defensively he's never in the shot.
Yeah, he was in the shot all day. Every time a goal was getting scored, he was somewhere nearby. So I think that hopefully the manager will somebody get into his ear and do it, because I think until
we know they watch our broadcast, bro. So
we know they're lurking in the shadows.
He'll be at number 10.
Yeah, so we'll hopefully when he come back from the break, he'll be that man, and we'll see how it goes. But overall, a good performance by him today, and a decent performance by the last one.
Don't give away your man of the match if you're going to jump on player ratings, though.
I'm not going to give that away. I think anybody who knows us knows who that is, but we're not going to give it away.
It's hard to rate some of these players though, because like the goalkeeper didn't really have much to do. It's like, how do you?
He hadn't had much to do all week. He hadn't had much to do all week, which is a good thing.
The week off.
Hey, that's a good thing. So when
he's spinning around like Kylie Minogue against Newcastle, since then he's actually done all right against Sevilla. One shot, 97th minute.
Overall, like I said, it was a well put together performance. Nothing like world class, anything at that level. We got what we needed. 3 points. Spurs got points today, which is always a good thing, and up we go. So we'll take it. Let's take this break. Nothing crazy outside of Fabio happened. So we'll move on to Brentford, and hopefully we can get the train rolling.
Yeah, man. Listen, make sure you sub to the Southern Gooner. The link will be in the title if I can get it in the title. Failing that, it'll be in the description. We're going to jump on player ratings right now with Jez. And man, 3 points. It is what it is. It ain't easy. Layers.